Converting a string to an integer or an integer to a string is quite simple in UiPath. For converting a string to an integer, we just type in Integer.Parse bracket string variable, the string variable we want to convert to an integer. Or if we want to go the other way around, an integer to a string, we can just type in our variable, integer variable, we could call it intVariable, and then type in dot to string, then it will be converted to a string. Let's see how that works in practice. Let's see how we convert a string to an integer or an integer to a string in UiPath. First off, we'll create two variables. We'll create a string variable and called word, and we'll give it the value of 1000. Then, and remark it's a text 1000, so it's not equal to the number, but we'll get back to that. And the other variable will be an integer variable called number. We'll change it here, integer, and then we'll give it the value 1000, like this. Now we're ready to go. We'll, for the visual look of it, we'll drag in an if statement. We could drag in two message boxes so we can compare it. Go here. We could type in here, word and number are equal. And the other one is word and number are not equal. Like this. The condition could be word equals number, but we'll see that UiPath will make an error since we try to compare a string to an integer like this. It will have this error. It's quite easy to fix, so we could either change the string variable called word to an integer or the integer variable called number to a string. We could start by changing the number to a string. So we'll type in dot to string, it's here, and now we're ready to run the loop. So right now what this does is it takes on the condition if word is equal to number and number is a string, and it will be 1000. Is that equal to 1000? Well, that's true. Then word and numbers are equal. Let's check. Run file. Will be message box, word and number are equal. Nice. Then we could try to change to 10,001 instead, and now it should be, we should end over here, word and number are not equal. We try again, run the file, and we'll get the message box we expected. We'll change it back to 1000. However, we could change the string called word to an integer instead, and it will require similar but a bit other operation. First off, we'll type in Integer.Parse bracket, and then the variable we want to convert to an integer, in our case it's word, and like this. So right now what this does, it's convert the word variable to an integer and then compare it to number, and if the condition is met, we'll have the word and number are equal. So that should be it right now. We'll run the file, and we see that it's all good. So we can try again to say 10,002, and now they shouldn't be equal to each other. We run it again, and we'll see that word and number are not equal. Well, that's great. So whenever you want to convert a word to a string to an integer, you need to use this one, and whenever you need to convert an integer to a string, you will just use dot to string. That's quite easy, isn't it? That's it. Bye.